If you want to be a chill guy in 2025, there's only 3 things you need to do. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that, and I'm not going to take more time than I need to. Okay, I just got back from the gym, all right, and today I was substitute teaching at a middle school. And I was teaching in a way where it was like every period I went to a different classroom. And one classroom, I sat in and I told them my name, like, hey, I'm Mr. Raj. And I just said, I'm just a chill guy. And the entire classroom just erupted in applause and all this stuff. It was like, I didn't know that it was going to be such a big reaction, but that's kind of just what we need today. We just need more chill guys out there. So I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So let's talk about the 3 things, all right? Number 1, if you want to be a chill guy, you have to be self-aware. That's it. You need to be a self-aware dude, which means you need to be aware of your emotions and don't let your emotions get out of hand. Notice when you're starting to feel frustrated. Notice when you're starting to feel upset or depressed or something like that. You can practice, like if you're driving and someone cuts you off or does something silly, you could flip out about it, or you could just be a chill guy, letting it go. All right, that's pretty much the first thing. Really easy. Be aware of your emotions and try to let things go. Number 2, kindness. Try to be as kind as you possibly can. And it doesn't mean match someone's energy. A lot of people out there are talking about, oh, I'm kind to people that are kind to me. It doesn't work like that if you're a chill guy, all right? It's coming from a chill guy right now. That's not how it works. If you are a kind person, it doesn't matter how other people are treating you, how other people are looking at you and judging you. You are just true to yourself. And if you are kind in your core, it's gonna come out as genuine. Anybody can be fake kind, but when you're a chill guy, you're a kind person. And number 3, we are all on a quest to be more peaceful, to be more at peace. So when you think about all of the things that you might want in your life, what job you want, your dream house, where you want to live, all of these things that you want and you desire in your life, underneath all of why, the why question, why do you want that stuff? Underneath all of it is your subconscious mind is thinking that these things will bring me peace. Once I have these possessions, once I have this relationship, once I have this living situation or this job, whatever it is, the subconscious mind is thinking, then I will have peace. But if you're a chill guy, you know how to put yourself in peace regardless of the circumstances. This is kind of being aware of your emotions, like I said at number 1, but this really is a foundational thing of being a chill guy, being at peace. And all of these things take work because we could have been programmed to have a certain personality where maybe we have a temper. We might have been programmed to have anxiety. Maybe we overthink everything. We might have been programmed to be introverted, where we don't want to talk to anybody. Maybe we're shy, we're scared of social situations. All of these things will make it challenging for us to really be the higher self version of us. And the higher self version of us, our final form, is at peace. That is what our soul wants. That's what our spirit wants. And if you really take the time to think about it, you know it's true. So, number 1, be aware of your emotions. Try not to get frustrated. Let it go. Number 2, being kind. I don't know why I spaced out on that for a second. Number 2, being kind. Be a kind person. I need to jump in the shower. I'm still in my gym clothes. And number 3, Work on staying at peace. Figure out a way to bring yourself in a peaceful state. That's how I walk into any classroom when I am a substitute teacher. That is my mindset. I try to open my heart, have unconditional love for everybody. I try to be kind to everybody, and I try to be at peace. No matter how crazy the classroom gets, I am not raising my voice. I don't care. It's not how I operate. This is just my message for you. If you want to be a chill guy in 2025, I believe in you. Stay creative.